Over 5 decades of excellence in power distribution, ensuring safe and efficient distribution of power at all times. Growing with the trust and confidence of its customers. Asiatic Electrical and Switchgears. Asiatic has been in the power distribution sector since 1972, and with every passing year it has diversified its range of products. Today it manufactures and exports a wide gamut of LV and HV power distribution products. Asiatic was acquired by Messrs LTL Holdings Private Limited in 2016, one of the largest engineering conglomerate in Sri Lanka, and since then, it has been actively pursuing new horizons to achieve global recognition and expand its customer base. With its corporate office in Gurugram, the company has the resources to efficiently deliver customized products demanded by its clients. A strong team of technically qualified professionals, sales team, and a visionary management work together to come up with innovative switchgear solutions. An ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 certified company. Asiatic strives to maintain the highest quality standards in all operations. It has also been honored with Export Excellence Award from time to time. It regularly participates in various exhibitions and fairs to promote its existing and new products in the international market. It has a dedicated team of qualified engineers and professionals to handle different departments of the company. Asiatic products have been very widely accepted over the world, with particular concentration in the Middle East markets where utilities like DEWA Dubai, ADC Abu Dhabi, EWA Bahrain, Kahrama Qatar, DCRP Oman, MEW Kuwait, PEC Yemen are some of the major customers of Asiatic. Asiatic is known for best manufacturing practices and timely deliveries. High-end infrastructure set up in it to sprawling state-of-the-art plants at Bhiwadi are geared to meet these very requirements. Manufacturing of LV and MV panels and other products in its range. All the units are equipped with power and hydraulic presses with capacities ranging from 10 tons to 80 tons. The plant has also state-of-the-art CNC press turret from Morato, Japan, and NC press brake from Amada for precision cutting, punching, notching, bending and various other operations, which ensures quality, speed and consistency in production of LV and MV panels, cutout boxes. The assembly lines are equipped with fast processing equipment to speed up the production process and enhance accuracy in production of LV and MV panels and all other products. A conveyorized electrostatic powder coating facility and paint shop with pre-treatment facility enables the company to achieve perfect finishes in its products. Most modern setup is available in all the plants for assembly of LV and MV panels. The final products are then passed on to the dispatch section that ensures their timely delivery at all destinations. Asiatic Electrical and Switchgear has a dedicated design and R&D team that comes up with innovative and robust designs to match customer requirements. Apart from improvements in existing range of products, the team also undertakes new product development, which is responsible for Asiatic's widening customer base. Entire range of Asiatic's products are type tested and approved by CPRI India, Kema Dekra Holland, Asta UK and Kerry Korea. Asiatic has served its customers with value-added LV and HV products tested and validated as per latest standards. Its range of products includes LV distribution pillars, switchboards, mini distribution pillars and feeder pillars, isolators, disconnectors, range of LT cutouts for indoor-outdoor applications, pole mounting DIN type fuse switch disconnectors, DIN type vertical fuse switch disconnectors and fuse rails, MV-VCB panels type tested at CPRI India and Kerry Korea and compact substations. Today Asiatic is a proud partner to numerous reputed names in utilities across the globe. Asiatic has successfully installed cutouts ranging from 63 amperes to 250 amperes at Riverview project as well as at Dorital Bahrain project, which is one of the most prestigious projects in the Gulf. Besides the above, Asiatic also exports its products to UK, Ghana, Nigeria, Uganda, Zambia, Zimbabwe, South Africa, Ethiopia, Kenya, Saudi Arabia, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, among others. In India, some of its prestigious customers are as an initial stride toward realizing Asiatic's ambition of evolving into a leading, power-generating entity focused on renewable energy. The company has recently secured two significant power projects in Rajasthan. These projects boast a combined capacity of 8 megawatts, marking a pivotal step in Asiatic's journey towards sustainable energy generation. The key to success of Asiatic is their teamwork, dedication and continuous efforts to attain ultimate customer satisfaction. Asiatic Electrical and Switchgears is constantly working on empowering its customers with its winsome combination of business ethics and engineering values. Asiatic ensuring safe and efficient power distribution every time.